Hey guys, Bear. Got another little EDC item that I carried to show you today. It's my favorite little pocket flashlight. He's a teeny one. It's got a little power to it. See if you can see that or not. It's the Fenix e05. The guy's 2.6 inches long, 0.6 inches diameter, and it weighs 0.4 ounces. It's got 3 beam settings. It's got an 8 lumen, 25 lumen, and an 85 lumen. It'll shine out to a maximum distance of 148 feet. It uses a Cree XP E2 LED 50,000. It takes one AAA battery. It's got a flat end here. You can stand it up, use it like a little candle light. There's a hole here. It comes with a little keychain loop, so you can put it on your keychain, but I just carry it free in my pocket, so I left that off so I don't have extra stuff in there. I don't like anything extra in my pocket. But I found this to be a excellent little light in my pocket. It's bright enough to do most tasks that I need when I need something bright, and it's dim enough to meander around camp without being a spectacle after people are trying to lay down. It's got a reasonable battery life. I've gone through a couple of these at this point. They're small enough I lose them from time to time. They're roughly 20 bucks. eBay, Amazon, REI, wherever. They're roughly 20 bucks. That's a look at the little flashlight I carry. Again, nothing necessarily tactical. I'm not going to beat somebody over the head with it. But it doesn't take up any room in my pocket, and it's plenty bright. Grilling up some corn for a salad I'm going to make tomorrow. Thought I'd give you a quick view of the Fenix e05 light patterns. I'm holding this, I guess, about roughly 3 foot away from my working surface. So that's low, medium, and high. Low, medium, high. For a task like this, the low beam gives me plenty of light. Just thought I'd give you some kind of idea of the beam.